first images of the mastermind of the Nagpur riots. The man who had orchestrated all of the violence in Nagpur has been identified as Minorities Democratic Party, MDP, led by Fahim Khan or Shamim Khan. He's got two aliases essentially, but that's his picture that you see right now on your screens. This is the man who ensured that Nagpur was literally on fire on Monday night. It was because of him, according to police officials, that we saw widespread violence and rioting taking place on the streets of Nagpur. Minorities Democratic Party. This is in fact the group that led this mob, and it was led by Fahim Khan or Shamim Khan. Now, he is the plotter who's been identified by the cops right now in the Nagpur violence. We are going to be getting you more details about exactly who this man is, what was his role, how did he instigate these riots? Was he the one who started off that entire rumor that triggered violence, that triggered the riots? We don't know at this point, but the police has confirmed that this man is in fact the mastermind, the one who led this mob, a mob of 80 to 100 people on the streets of Nagpur to attack cops, to attack local residents, to resort to vandalism, arson and outright no fear of law. Clearly also this was a pre-planned riot, which is why there are questions about really who this man Fahim Khan is. What was his role in this entire riot? First images are on your screens of the mastermind of the Nagpur riot, and we will connect with our reporters on the ground to get you more details about this man, reportedly a part of the Minorities Democratic Party. Okay, we'll get you more details about, in fact, the mastermind of the Nagpur riots. It's suspected that this man was the one who led the mobsters, who led the murderous mob of 80 to 100 people onto the streets of Nagpur and then unleashed hell on the city by, in fact, inciting this entire mob against police officials as well. Sumi is joining us live from Nagpur with more details on this. Sumi, what details have we been able to really pick up about this mastermind, Fahim Khan or Shamim Khan as he's called? Is he in custody right now?
Yes, that is something that is somewhere part of the investigation. But what we are also picking up from the ground is this: Fahim Shamim Khan also contested parliamentary elections. In fact, he contested 2014 parliamentary elections. He was one of the 28 candidates out of all the 28 people who were fighting against Nitin Gadkari. And in fact, BJP was fighting this Fahim Khan from MDP. He contested the recently concluded parliamentary election, and that is somewhere very interesting. And he's the one who had assembled all these people and had started the miscommunication that the green colored cloth that was burnt was in fact the kalma, or was the religious and sacred cloth of the Islam. And that somewhere down the line, that miscommunication spread across various social media platforms, and social media accounts also are being constantly looked at because of this person. And in fact, he accumulated all of the people right outside Ganeshpet Police Thane, and in fact the video of which is also we're trying to access, and he's the one who has led the entire violence. And somewhere down the line, Ravindra Singhal, the Commissioner of Police, is now looking into the entire details, and he is being looked after. And in fact, in the 18-page FIR, on the 7th page, his name pops right up as the mastermind. And there are several sections under the BNS that have been imposed on almost 51 people who have been named in the FIR. But this is somewhere down the line very interesting. A politician by background, he had accumulated the people from his community and had spread all sorts of miscommunication.
So he got the people together, he got this mob together, he spread that rumor. What was the intention? What was the motive? Why did he want to create this unrest on the streets of Nagpur? Was he working at someone's behest? The investigation will reveal all of that. So just stay with me. Let's talk about what's happening right now in Nagpur and